Thousands of years ago, during the Ice Age, wolves and humans lived as rivals in a dangerous world. Wolves stayed far from humans, but some noticed an easy source of food near human camps. Human camps left behind bones and scraps that attracted the boldest and calmest wolves. The friendlier wolves survived better near humans, while aggressive wolves stayed in the wild. The calm wolves had pups that inherited their less aggressive behavior. Over generations, humans and wolves slowly formed a partnership. They helped humans hunt, guard camps, and warn about danger. Over thousands of years, these wolves slowly began transforming into early dogs. Their bodies changed too. Shorter snouts, smaller teeth, floppy ears, and new fur colors appeared. Dogs became more social and learned to understand human emotions and behavior. Humans later began breeding dogs for specific jobs like hunting, guarding, and herding. That process eventually created hundreds of dog breeds we see today. Even today, every pet dog still shares most of its DNA with ancient gray wolves.
The bond between humans and dogs became one of the oldest friendships in human history.